Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hello, my name is Brianna, and today we are talking about creating printable wristbands. This package you could get off of Amazon. It comes with 5 different colors, and it's 500 pieces, so 500 bracelets. Basically how this started was I saw a post on Instagram about creating bracelets for students for reminders because they constantly lose stuff in their backpacks. My husband's a teacher, so he thought these were a great idea for back to school night. Little did I know that I purchased bracelets that are not like standard paper size, which I just assumed. I didn't even look in the description. Rookie mistake. But it's actually 7.5 by 10 inches for the dimensions on these bracelets. I created a template in Google Slides by just adding 10 different text blocks, putting them sideways, making sure it was spaced down far enough to not print on the sticker part. If you want to download the template, it'll be in the description box below. There are so many possibilities for these wristbands for school teachers, such as field trip reminders, no school on Monday, Spirit Week starting, so many different things. You could also get really creative and use these for a birthday party. Once you're done editing, go to File, Print. It'll download and then press File, Print. Then the options for your printer will come up. My default size is 8.5 by 11, so I'm going to click on that and go to Manage Custom Sizes and change the width to 7.5 by 10 inches. Next, you'll see it still looks a little wonky, so we're going to go to the scale and type in 89%. Next, I recommend cutting down a piece of printer paper to the size of the wristbands and marking one side, which is going to resemble the sticker portion of the bracelet, and print it out just to see which way you need to load in the bracelets. So as you can see, this is the mark here to resemble the stickers, because I also wanted to make sure that the words weren't going to be on the sticker part. From my printer, the wristbands need to be flipped upside down with the sticker part facing the back of the printer or the wall. Once you have your test sheet, go ahead and cut out one of these strips and wrap it around your wrist. I wanted to see if the font was too big or too small. In this case, the font was too big, so I needed to size it down in order for all of the information to be read. Depending on what type of printer you have, you may not have issues with this, but my printer only allowed me to put one sheet of wristbands in at a time to do 3 pages. It got stuck, and then I had to play operation with the printer to get the sticker out of the printer, which was not fun. I recommend just doing one at a time, but each time for my printer it popped up with it defaulting to 8.5 by 11. I'm sure there's a way to fix that, but I didn't want to go through all that hassle, so I went through the pain and the headache of having to fix the dimensions each time and having to fix the scale each time before I print. Another thing you could do, if you don't want to do that, just go ahead and change your default settings for this project and then change it back. Here is how my wristbands turned out. So this one, as you can tell, was a fluke. Some of them are usable, but some of them are not because they're right where the perforation is. If I would have counted them and seen that there was only 9 lines, I would have realized that, hey, you didn't change the paper size. Here's how they are supposed to look, and they turned out really good. My husband's students loved these guys, so definitely give them a shot. Just know that it's a patience game, and you have to pay attention. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIYs and quick tips like this. And let me know down below what you put on your bracelets. Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!